It's been raining in Atlanta. It's another rain today here. Look like my tomatoes are getting like growing very taller. But I love these bay leaves. Isn't that beautiful? They smell really good. You can see my phone is really like rain. I don't want my phone get ruined with this raining. It's been raining here. You don't really see it in the back, but it's really raining. You have to go inside the house. And this is thyme, and it looks like she's doing pretty good. I'm gonna move this in a big pot. So she's gonna keep growing and growing. Look like this one is about to give me some fruits in here. Look at that. That's another seeds. Look, they're growing too. Just waiting the withers. I'm waiting the weather will be good, so I can transplant this one in the container. They're ready. Seed starter. Alright, okay. They're hiding because stormy today. This is my begonias. And I put a stick on it today. This look like they're dropping. Need a stick. See the stick right there.